Now, the first thing we need to agree on as we continue learning is that a business plan is more than a document. It's a template to help you run your business and show other key stakeholders what they can expect and stand to gain. Now, the plan is going to summarize a number of things, okay? It will summarize what your business will be, your objectives, and how you'll reach them. So generally, the business plan will serve two purposes, okay? And that will be to assess the viability of your product and to promote your idea to investors. So remember, a good business plan is not a long business plan, okay? So most people tend to think that if it is a long business plan, then it's a good one. Not really. A good business plan will depend on the kind of information it gives. So what kind of information are we talking about? Now, a good business plan is supposed to show the following information: what you want to achieve, how you will get there, and the things you need to do along the way. Which is the reason why it's good to tackle a business plan in small chunks, okay? You just don't sit there and write the entire thing. I mean, you could do that, and that's just going to be a lean canvas model. But if you're going to do a detailed business plan, then separate it into small bits, which is what you're going to be doing in the next, okay, in this lesson anyway, and the next series of videos to follow. So you want to separate it into small bits and work on those bits. Who is going to read a business plan? Now that we've established that a business plan is actually a plan for your business, there are a number of parties who might be interested in reading that plan. So who are these parties? Well, they will include people like, or other persons in this category, persons like investors, stakeholders, new staff, startup support agencies, business partners. Okay, so now we are on the same page, right? We know what a business plan is, and you know who's going to read it. Okay, remember, it's not a long document. Okay, it's not also a short document. It's just a document that is supposed to show the plan you have for your business, or at least the plan that you conceived at that moment. Remember, it's not about creating a perfect plan. It all starts with realizing that having a plan is better than no plan at all. Right, see you in the next lesson.